Three things are happening today. Number one, I'm pulling the blanket off of this motor and showing you what Survivor number 2 looks like. Number 2, I'm showing you how to winter, completely free, no purchase necessary. And number 3, I'm going to show you why I'm doing this every 3 months and why it's necessary. All right, you know I gave away motor number 1 3 months ago. Here's Survivor number 1 delivered to Pardeville, Wisconsin to Rob and Lucas. They're in the process of doing the restore right now. Stay tuned for update videos coming any day now. And here is motor number 2, Survivor number 2, to be given away in 30 days on September the 15th. So let's see what we're giving away this time. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. The most popular motor of all time. It's a Johnson 1957 Seahorse 18 horsepower. I mean the 1957, 1958's 18 horsepower is the number 1 motor in demand. So this motor is going to be given away in 30 days on September the 15th to somebody out there like you that enters the free motor giveaway contest for Save the Hobby. You click on the link down in the description or go to my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com, click on free motor giveaway, fill out the form, give me all your information, and at the bottom, tell me why you should be the winner of this motor. What you're going to do to carry on for future generations to save the hobby. I love what I do. I love giving motors away, and you could be the winner of this beauty. Okay, now here's the part I really need you to understand. The reason why I'm doing this, to save the hobby, and it's working. I have over 20,000 subscribers, and there's hundreds of people that are entering this contest. The mission is to carry this on for future generations, and we're doing it. All right? We are creating a membership, a group of keepers. And listen, I'm not just giving away the motor. I'm giving away the gear case kit, carb kit, ignition kit, everything it takes to make this motor run again. The winner of this motor gets it delivered to them, and they get to do the work. They get to do the restore. They get to show the community how it's done using T Mike's videos and T Mike's parts. So not only the motor, but all the kits to go with it. All right, so once again, finally, here's how you enter the contest. Click on the link down in the description or go to my website, tmikevintageoutboards, and click on free motor giveaway and put in your entry form. The drawing is in 30 days on September the 15th. Well, that's the story for this video. Free motor giveaway. Enter the contest. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. T Mike's here for you. Let's go get some iron running. See y'all next video.